Hi guys, it's me Alfie J and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, another day, another vlog, another reaction video ang ating gagawin. And ngayon, magre-react tayo ulit sa Gmail. So guys, I'm very excited kasi alam ko talaga kung paano nila tayo papakikiligin, di ba? Tama ba? Papakiligin. Di ba? So paano tayo nila papakiligin? Kung paano nila bigyan ng hustisya ang mga kantang kakantahin nila, at saka yung kilig factor at saka yung chemistry talaga ng dalawang ito guys. And before tayo magpatuloy sa ating reaction video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome sa aking YouTube channel. And kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification ring para laging updated sa lahat ng mga reaction videos or vlogs na i-upload ko dito sa aking YouTube channel. And guys, ang i-react natin ngayon sa dalawang ito, ang Gmail is kakantahin nila dito ang Perfect. Ayun, so mga katambay, ayun nga guys, I'm very excited na guys. So without further ado, let's get started.
So you, okay.
di-exit mo na yung
Wow.
third wheel. Grabe naman
Let's go, ma.
Go, JV!
Okay.
Let's go.
Ayun, nasa
Ay, sana po
Showtime
magustuhan ninyo
Online
itong
sila.
song na aming kakantahin para sa inyong lahat. Wait lang ha. Ayan ha.
Ay, hindi pa ready.
Paulit na po.
Ang dami namin nagsisikawan dito. Go, JV!
I found love
Wow.
for me.
Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl,
Tangos ng ilong.
beautiful and sweet,
Wow.
but I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby,
Oh,
I'm
shit.
dancing in the dark
Galing.
with you between my eyes. I'm barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking
Linis.
so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Ayun na si Mana.
I found a man
Wow.
stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share his home. I found a love
Ang lamig.
to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own.
We are still kids, we're so in love, fighting against all odds.
Galing.
I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand.
Wow.
Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm
Ang ganda.
dancing in the dark
Wow.
with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Now Darling, you look perfect tonight.
You look perfect talaga together!
Wow, grabe guys, grabe. Sobrang natuwa ako dito sa version nilang perfect guys. Kahit bitin na bitin. Alam kong nabibitin kayo kasi naputol, di ba? Pinutol. Pero sobrang nakakakilig sila guys. Iba talaga yung dala ng chemistry nila. Iba yung kilig factor nila. Iba yung buwelo nila. Di ba? Ang sarap pakinggan ng boses nila guys. Totoo lang. Ang sarap pakinggan ng boses nila. Maganda lang yung hymn nila, 'di ba? So, hindi masakit sa tenga, hindi na sobrahan, hindi overdo, hindi OA, 'di ba? Sobrang galing talaga ng Gmail, guys. Congratulations and sobrang nag-enjoy ako talaga kahit nabitin talaga ako. Pero guys, aminin nyo sa hindi, kinikilig kayo dyan guys habang nanonood dito sa performance nila ng Perfect guys. And sana po ay may full version sila nito sa ASAP or sa Showtime kasi nga sobrang galing talaga nila guys. And ang sarap pakinggan lang talaga ng boses nilang dalawa. Sobra. Nakakakilig, ewan ko, hindi ko alam. And once again guys, sana po nag-enjoy kayo kasi ako sobrang nag-enjoy ako dito at saka nabitin nga lang pero okay lang at kinilig naman. 'Di ba? May pa-holding hands pa ang dalawa. Grabe. Iba yung ano nila guys. Iba yung quality ng voice nila dito. Iba yung paandar nila. Sobrang galing. Yung mga falsetto, yung mga headtones, yung mga riff and runs ni GM. Ayun, so sobrang galing talaga guys. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo. Sana po ay kinilig kayo dyan. And guys, sa mga bago dyan, welcome sa aking YouTube channel guys. Once again, maraming salamat guys. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe na nanonood ka ngayon, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification ring para laging updated sa lahat ng mga vlogs or reaction videos na i-upload ko dito sa aking YouTube channel. And guys, kung may mga request kayo, kung may mga suggestions kayo, huwag kayong mahiya guys. Please comment down below. Ayun, nandyan lang yan sa baba guys. And don't forget to click the like button guys. Again guys, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat guys. Sana po ay magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking next reaction videos. God bless po. Bye-bye.